Alright guys, so today we're taking a look at a case that has the most grip for your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So for those of you who have butterfingers, who are always dropping your phone, this is probably the case that you should buy, or at least one of the cases that you should buy for your iPhone. And of course, we're looking at the Smartish Gripzilla for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, links to this case will be down in the description below for you guys to check out for yourselves. The price on this is $34.99, and you're getting an excellent case for that price point. So, starting off with the packaging, very classic Smartish presentation. You're not getting anything too fancy, but they always use like a paper box. However, they find a good way to present it so you're not just opening some boring box every time. So, it does say Smartish, established 2009, based in Austin, Texas. Mighty protection awaits you inside. And on the back, you get a little more information here. We are looking at the Black Tie Affair Gripzilla. So you just kind of pull this open and you are greeted with your case in here. And then you're also going to get this little sizing guide there so you know which size iPhone you have and what size case you need, as well as a little sticker in here. So feel free to take that and stick it on whatever you want there. And that's pretty much it. And then of course on the inside also you're going to get this little card asking you to review it on Amazon, as well as some information before you return it. So taking a look on the back, you are getting this polycarbonate material and your sides and everything are going to be TPU. Now this back material does have a little bit of texture to it, so that's nice. You are getting your camera ring right there and a little bit of Smartish branding here at the bottom. Now taking a look on the inside, you're getting this very nice soft rubber here going all the way around the back of your phone, so you absolutely will not have any issues of the back of your phone getting damaged with this, and it is going to provide some of that shock absorption there. And going around on the sides, you are getting TPU material that goes all the way around the case, as well as all four corners are reinforced for more drop protection. Now this case is dropped 50 times by Smartish on concrete from 6 feet up to test it. Now I'm not going to be testing it on this video today, but this case is definitely going to provide you that everyday really good drop protection. So let's go ahead and bring over our scale and our caliper. We'll see how thick it is, and then we'll go from there. So starting off with the weight, we're looking at 61 grams, guys. Now, before that scares you, 61 grams seems like a lot, but with this case, you don't really feel the weight of it, which is kind of surprising. It is very comfortable to use, does not feel heavy at all. So that is definitely something that I really like to see. When I got my original Smartish Gripzilla before for previous phones, I expected it to be super heavy and bulky. It's definitely a little bulky, but not very heavy at all. And then bringing over our caliper, let's go ahead and see how thick it is. Now starting from front to back, we're looking at 12.3 millimeters, and from inside to outside, we're looking at 3.9 millimeters. Now, that thickness is also due to this really good grip going all the way around the sides, which we will take a look at in a second. Now, let's go ahead and take our natural titanium iPhone 16 Pro Max, and we'll put it here into the case, and listen out for that click. Very solid click onto this case. So you definitely do not have to worry about your phone coming out of this case. If you were to drop it, you will be absolutely good to go there. Now, let's see how well it fits on the sides. One corner is really good. 2, 3, and 4. Great fit on all four corners, no problems there. And going around the sides, this is going to be TPU, so it's going to have a little bit of give, but still a nice stiff fit for the most part going all the way around the sides. Bottom is stiff, top is stiff, everything is good. Now, going to that camera control button, we can sit here and kind of pull it a little bit, take a look. I'm taking a bunch of pictures right now, and that should be just fine right there. You can kind of move it a little bit down towards the bottom, but it's not too bad. I would like to see this get a little bit thicker though, especially since this is a rugged case. I kind of do want to see that a little bit stronger right there. Now, let's take a look at that camera and screen protection. Let me wipe this down real quick and let's see. So I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and you're going to get a nice screen lip there. So you can absolutely set this down on just about any surface and you'll be good to go on that end. And then with the camera protection, you're getting a pretty decent camera bump right there. You can set this down on most surfaces on its back, but I would be careful on any kind of raised up surfaces or anything like that, just because the camera bump on this is not the thickest bump in the world. So I would like to see that improved a little bit. So how does the case feel in the hand? and it's really comfortable to use. The sides are very grippy, which we'll talk about in a second. Not a pinky destroyer at all. If you sit here and you hold it just like I do, it's not sharp on the bottom. Everything is very comfortable with this case. It does not slip out of your hand at all. The grip is very, very good on this case. The fit is good. Everything is very good with it. And for the 35 bucks that this costs, it's really surprising at how good everything is about this case. So let's take a look around the sides. Now, starting off with the top, you are completely closed in there, and your corners are raised up. So if you are to drop it down on the top, you will be just fine right there. Now, moving along to the left-hand side, you are completely closed in with your action button, volume up and down right there. Now, these buttons are built into the case with relief cutouts, so let's listen to how those sound. Still very clicky buttons. Even though they're built in, they are really nice and protruded out, so you can definitely feel all of the buttons with no problems. And then the rest of the side is where you're getting that intense grip right here. If you guys can see that, I mean, it is right there, meant for your fingers. It is super, super grippy, and of course you're getting this extremely grippy material going all the way around the sides of your phone. Now on the bottom, you do have your accurate microphone and speaker cutouts, as well as a very nice open USB Type-C port, which let's bring over our cable here, plug that in. We're charging, and yeah, super wide open USB Type-C port, so all of your thicker head cables will fit in there with no problems at all. And then moving along to the right-hand side, you are completely closed in except for your camera control button. Now, what I really like about this case is that it has those finger grooves on both of these sides, so even if you're holding your phone like this or you grab it like this, you have optimal grip. So taking a look at that camera control button, very nicely grooved in. It's not huge, and I do like that it is one completely closed-in cutout. And accessing the button, of course, is very easy. It's a nice open cutout, but it's not too big to where it's massively ugly or anything like that. So taking a look, you can go ahead and zoom in, zoom out. Everything is just fine. We'll take a little picture of ourselves there. Easy. And there you go. Very nice camera control access area. Of course, I would like to see the button closed all the way in, so hopefully Smartish will work on that and make a case that has that button completely closed in. But for right now, you get what you get, and it's not a bad cutout at all. So let's go ahead and take a look at that Magsafe. We'll start off with our Apple Magsafe wallet. Attach that. There's our animation, and it is not really slipping at all. You can sit here and definitely move your hand around, and do have to give it a good bit of force before this was to come off. And of course, that's not going to leave any markings or anything on the case either, so that's very nice. And then moving along to the Apple Magsafe battery pack, attach that. There's our animation, and let's see. Oh yeah, shake this as hard as you possibly can, and this thing is not coming off of the Smartish Gripzilla. So I love to see a really good, strong Magsafe magnet, and you really got to give that some force to come off. And then finally moving along to our Anchor 623, attach that. Yeah, super, super good Magsafe. You do have to definitely, that was a good catch. You do have to definitely give it a good bit of shake before that comes off, so absolutely no worries when it comes to Magsafe. So let's talk about some of the colors that this is going to come in. Now, of course, black tie affair is what we're looking at. It's also going to come in clearly black, moving mountains, striped up, wildflower fields, and you can also make a custom case. At least on Amazon, you can kind of go and customize your design a little bit. So, of course, that link is down in the description below if you guys want to customize your own. But it comes in a plethora of colors for you guys to choose from. So that is always very nice to see there. Now, do I recommend the Smartish Gripzilla? And the answer is yes. If you're looking for a case that's extremely grippy, it's going to have excellent MagSafe, a nice tight fit, very good drop protection, and just a comfortable case all around to use. You're looking for that a little bit extra rugged protection, but don't want something super, super fat and thick, something that's like a solid brick. Absolutely look no further than the Smartish Gripzilla. So yes, definitely a recommended case by me. So let me know what you guys think about the Gripzilla down in the comments below. Have you ever tried one or any Smartish cases? Let me know. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a very long way for me and allows me to consistently make these videos for you guys. And if you want to see my review of the Smartish Grip Monk, which has a little less grip but still very protective, I'll leave that video right here. If you guys want to see another excellent case that's super customizable and super grippy, I'll leave that right there.